Hello everyone. In my previous video I told you about a plus b whole square formula and a minus b whole square formula. In this video I am going to explain one very important identity, that is a square minus b square. Okay, so let's start. We know a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so how it can be proved? We can prove it by algebraic means, by geometric means. First of all, I'll explain the algebraic method and then I am going to explain geometric one. Fine. So let's start the algebraic process. Here, let me start from the right hand side. Here it is a plus b into a minus b. We are starting from RHS. Fine. A plus b into a minus b. What is the meaning of it? We need to multiply a with this, then b with this. So I am going to get a minus b, and plus b, a minus b. So what we have done, we have multiplied a with this term and then b with this. Okay, now a into a, you are going to get a square. A into b, I am going to get ab, plus b into a, I am going to get ab, plus minus b into b square. Now here, as you can see, plus ab and minus ab can be nullified and they are going to cancel. So what is left? A square minus b square. So just see, this is a very simple process by which we can prove that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Now I am going to explain the next part, that is the geometric proof. Now I will give you the geometric proof. Very interesting. So if you are having a square and if its side is x, then area of the square will be x square. Now suppose here I have drawn one square and each side is a, then area of this one will be a square. Fine. We need another square whose side must be b. So for b square, what I have done, I have drawn, suppose here another square, and this side is b. Am I clear? This whole length is a, that means this whole length is a, and this length is b, that means this length also b. Now this is a, that means this full length will be how much? If this is a, this full length also will be a. I think everything is clear. If a, this part is a, this is b, so this will be b. So this part will be a minus b. And since this is b, if I draw a dotted line here, I am going to get b here. Fine. So what I have done, I have drawn one bigger square where each side is a. So area of the bigger square is a square. I have drawn another square b where each side is b. So area of this one is b square. Since we need a square minus b square, that means area of this part is to be calculated. And for this, what I will do, I will cut this part and I will just shift it here. Okay, so here in this rectangle, this is a minus b, this is b. And what is the length of this part? What is the length of this part? Since this part is b, this part will be a minus b. Whole length is a, this is b, this will be a minus b. If this is a minus b, this also will be a minus b. Let me just repeat. I have drawn this line. Okay, so here this one is b, so this will be b. This whole length is a, this is b, so this part will be a minus b. This is b, this will be b. So here you are going to get, this is another rectangle. Now this box I am going to shift here in such a way that this b will be here. Okay, and this base will be in this side, that means a minus b will match here, and you are going to get, and suppose it is like this. Just see, this is a minus b, this part is a minus b, this is b, you write here b. I hope it is clear. This part, this block I have shifted here in such a way that this equals to this and this part equal to this part. Now if you see this figure here, this is a, this is b, whole thing will be a plus b. And this part already you know, a minus b, so this also will be a minus b. Now what will be the area of this figure? We know this, since it is a rectangle, length into breadth. Length is a plus b, breadth is a minus b. So area will be a plus b into a minus b, and we know this area is nothing but a square minus b square. So we got a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So finally what you got? Area of this bigger square minus area of this smaller square, that is a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Stay happy, stay safe.